Imagine this. It's the middle of the night and a pipe burst, flooding your neighborhood home, and your company is their first call. The hero who turns chaos into calm. In 2025, smart entrepreneurs aren't chasing fleeting trends. They're building lasting empires in essential industries. That's why plumbing remains a powerhouse of potential and resilience through every economic storm. Z Plumbers is not just another plumbing franchise. It's a tech-driven, recession-proof, and opportunity-backed by BELFOR Franchise Group. They're a $2 billion giant that supports your success by engineering it from day one. With aging buildings, there's a constant demand. Z Plumbers meets the needs of residential, commercial, and municipal clients, offering 24/7 emergency services, trenchless pipelining, and advanced diagnostics to keep you ahead of every challenge. Whether you're starting fresh or converting your existing business, Z Plumbers equips you with unbeatable support, proven systems, and tools to dominate your market. Ready to build the plumbing business your community can't live without? Let's chat today.
Sponsored content.